Okay, guys, it is the time $500 trading tips, and we will be checking this out right here in this video. However, before I go fully into it, in case you're joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. And if you love the content you are getting from here, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video, and share this video with friends and family. Okay, so quickly, these are the assets that we'll be checking out. Everything I will be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis of the issues and the exact time frame I will be using. The performance also depend on your trading. On the performance also depend on when you are seeing this video. If you're not joining me live and direct, then you will also have to uh, have a recheck on the charts before you can follow up with the analysis. Okay, just to be sure if things are going still going as predicted or if they have not gone too far before you jump into it. Okay, so this is very important. Now let's go straight into what we are right here, starting with GainX 1200. Okay, guys, this is GainX 1200. I'm on 15-minute time frame and I'm using the 3M trend Milka trading indicator to do my analysis right from here. So this actually started an uptrend right from here, but after getting to this resistance, I wasn't able to break out from there. So it has been selling since then. So this has been more of a downtrend than an uptrend. So it is still selling. If it breaks out from here, then definitely it should be getting to this particular spot. But if it does not, then it will go fully back on uptrend. Okay, so you should watch out for that. Okay, but right now it is still on downtrend at the moment, so it is still not selling until it is unable to break out from that support zone. So the next asset is going to be GainX 999. Let's check it out together. So guys, this is GainX 999, still on 15-minute time frame. This has been on a very strong uptrend, broke out above this resistance zone at this stage to buy more, and it is still buying. Okay, so if I should take it to H1, this is still buying at the moment. Okay, so although it has gotten to a major resistance zone right now, if it breaks out above it, then of course it will keep on buying. But if it does not, it will go back on downtrend. But before it can go back on downtrend, I will advise you to wait for the signals, the trend signals, and of course the sell signal before you jump into the trade. Okay, so we expect this to sell any moment from now. Okay, except if it breaks out above this resistance, and that is when it will not sell. Okay, and it will continue to buy. But for now, it has gotten to a major resistance, and so we expect a sell right from there, a downtrend right from there. But before you can go for the sell, wait for the downtrend signal and wait for the sell signal. Okay, so let's put it there. We expect a sell from there. Okay. Next asset is going to be Paynex 1200. This is Paynex 1200. This actually got to the resistance zone and started selling, even though it didn't go too far. It stopped selling at this spot, okay? And of course, it switched from a downtrend into an uptrend, and it is buying at the moment, even though the buying opportunity might not be for a very long time, but for now, it is still buying. So let's see if it's able to get to this resistance zone. If it gets here, then that's a good one. And if it should break out above it, then it's still going to buy more and might be looking toward, moving towards this direction. Okay, but if it does not, if it's finding it difficult to break out from this particular resistance zone, then definitely it will come back and go back on downtrend. But for now, it is still buying. Next asset is going to be Paynex 999. Okay, this is Paynex 999, and of course, we are still on 15-minute time frame. This actually started a downtrend right from this resistance zone, switched from an uptrend to a downtrend, and it has been selling since then. So this is still going to be more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. Okay, next asset is going to be FX volume 80. Okay, let's check it out together. This is FX volume 80. It had been on uptrend right from here, switched from a downtrend into an uptrend at this point, and of course it has been buying since then. Okay, it got to this resistance zone, and of course guys, once broken, then it's going to buy more. Let's take a 1 hour time frame to see where it is heading to. If it breaks out from there, you can see we still have more free zones around here. So if it should break out from there, then we expect it to move towards this direction and may likely get to this point. Okay, if it buys. Okay, so this is still very much on buy trend. Okay, so we expect more buying opportunity right from there, most especially once it breaks out from the resistance zones. Okay, so this is very, very important. So guys, these are all that we are able to come up with tonight. All you just need to do is just for you to understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. For those of you who are yet to perfect your trading skill, kindly go back to the channel. I mean, to this channel, watch my training videos, practice very well on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. Okay. Now for my next video. Until then, God bless you.